This is Cody Black Outdoors. Hey, this is Cody Black Outdoors, and today we're gonna do a little bit of pond fishing. Try to get some numbers up on the online tournament that we're in. I think it's the Bass Pro Spring Classic on the Fishing Chaos app. So let's see if we can't catch some fish and maybe even catch a big one to put on there. Let's see how it goes. All right, I didn't pull the camera out because it was way too windy, but we've caught two so far and missed a big one on a jig on the new Cast King reel that I got in the reel surprise box. It's actually an awesome little reel. It can bomb it. Boom. That's about as good as I can cast with any other reel. 9-to-1 gear ratio, and it has this flip deal where it kicks the button back up. That's pretty cool. I've tried it out. I don't know if I like it while I'm actually casting, but for flipping or for top waters, I think it'd be pretty good. Both of the fish that I have caught today have been basically on the bank. The last one was right here, and I think it was eating a crappie or chasing a crappie and decided to go for my bait because I seen the crappie run up on the bank. So that's what we're working with so far. Just gonna keep tossing at everything, seeing if there's anything that'll bite. It's so freaking windy. I think the only dispute I have is because of this hill right here. A little bit calmer water back here in this back corner. Let's try the old flipping deal out. Need to loosen that up a notch or two. Interesting. I'm not used to it. Move along. Come here. Where's my line? Over here. Yeah! Let's do the online tournament deal. BPSC. And a half incher. We can get it to shut at the mouth. We can get a legit photo, but it's not going to. There we go. Another shallow one on the mooch minnow. Can you catch fish with a jig head minnow without forward facing sonar? I say yes you can. Try a little wacky rig out there. A little wacky rig out there. Another one. Down to the dam and then we're done. Back to where we started. Moocher in the corner. Dang it! Very good fish too. I don't catch many fish on a jig, so dang it! There we go. One more before we left. That's what we were after. Hey, this is Cody Black Outdoors, and we're finishing up for the day. About to head home, maybe grab some lunch, definitely some water. It's definitely hot. My truck says it's 100. It's not 100, but definitely close to 90 today. Wish that wind wasn't so high. We would have been out on the boat, but glad to be fishing. Glad to have caught some. Hopefully we can add them on to our tournament that we're doing with Fishing Chaos and maybe win some prizes. But hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.